Let's have a look at this question. Here A is a vector, B is a scalar. Then we have to find del dot A, del B. Before answering this question, let's understand what is this del operator. It is also called gradient operator, which is defined as I times dou by dou x plus j times dou by dou y plus k times dou by dou z. Here I, j, k are unit vectors along x, y, z directions. When it is acted upon a scalar function f, let f is a scalar function. When gradient operator is acted upon a scalar function f, it yields a vector output. It yields a vector output in this manner. Dou by dou y of f plus k times dou by dou z of f. Here f is a scalar function. This product or the gradient of f denotes direction of maximum rate of change of function f. So what does this gradient denotes? It physically denotes the direction of maximum rate of change of given function f. So here in the problem, instead of f, they have given b. Let's see which one of the following is correct. Del b is here in the first option. They have given it as grad b. That is right. But the output is scalar output, which is false. This is false because gradient operator gives vector output that indicates the direction. And let's see here in the second option, yeah, here it is indicating the vector output, and that is gradient b, correct one. And then let's see other option. Here del b or gradient b is termed as divergence of b, so it is not divergence, it is gradient. Here it should be grad b, gradient b. And when it comes to output, they have given vector output, but they should not call it as divergence of b, they should call it as gradient b. So this is also wrong. Net here, let's see here, this is del b, again they are calling it as divergence of b, and here they are giving scalar output. Divergence and scalar output are correct, but this operator del b is not a divergence operator, so this is also wrong. Now let's see other option, that is del dot a. We know del is a vector, that is gradient operator is a vector, and in the problem it is given that a is also a vector, so dot product of two vectors is a scalar. We call this operation as divergence operation, so which yields a scalar output that is defined as, so del dot a, so del is, we have del as I times dou by dou x plus j times dou by dou y plus k times dou by dou z times then a axi plus ayj plus azk. These are the three components of vector a. Now dot product of two vectors is just multiplying corresponding terms. Okay, that yields dou by dou x of ax plus dou by dou y of ay plus dou by dou z of az. This is the divergence of a vector component a, which is a scalar output. This is a scalar output. Let's see options. Which one? Three options are correct. Here, let's see this one. So here divergence of a, that is del dot a, that is divergence of a, which is a scalar output. So this is the correct answer. Option B is the correct option. Option B is the correct answer for this question. Now, as we have seen, the physical meaning of gradient f is, grad f is, it denotes the direction of maximum rate of change of given function. Then what is the physical significance of this particular operation, that is divergence? It denotes the spread out, how much a fluid or something is spreading out from a point. That's what it denotes. So if for example, let's consider a fluid. If fluid is diverging from a point like this, if it is spreading out, then divergence is positive. If fluid is approaching towards a point from some different points like this, then divergence is negative. So it generally denotes spread out of something. Okay, here we have considered a fluid, so spread out of fluid.